Please tell me the fucking food is ready. If not, I'm about to go on a fucking rampage.
Soon your fat, floppy, sloppy ass won't be fitting in the tent. Get the fuck out of my face!
I've been seeing Miss Rabbit on the side anyway. Let's get the divorce papers signed.
You're going to divorce me over food. Am I a fucking joke to you?
You can't get divorced, you absolute vegetables. What am I gonna voice over then?
All I wanted was to get some seconds, for fuck's sake, man.
Dad, you're a fat-ass bastard!
What's that over there?
Where?